Alongside the simple authoring of tests, creating content, testing, making sure everything works, there's the issue of maintenance of test content. And what we've provided for you on screen is from the assessment splash screen, the option for details. So I'm going to click on one of these examples for details of a test. When you click on that, it should bring you into the history of the revisions of a test. So you can see when the test was last published by looking at the current published version, and you can look in an iReadable format to see the definition of the test, what's changed, what do the items look like, IDs, etc., etc. And if you do happen to get into a situation where you make a mistake, you can always click on the rollback button to help you back to that last published version, that last saved version, just the version of the test you wanted to get to. In the case that you don't want to see this test in your splash view anymore, you can click Hide Assessment. The reason it says hide instead of delete, if those assessments have been used in production, we don't want to delete any tester data that's associated with it. So we always default to hide. You can also go to Test Cases, which is something that's in another video, but isn't stored underneath the details column. So you can create test cases and just get better QA on your overall test. So that's a little bit about the details, how you can update it, keep it up to date, take it back to a state as needed, and just see an iReadable view of that test.